Now, due to the ongoing COVID-19 surge during the Labor Day weekend in the U.S., Hawaii's governor emphasizes taking extra precautions so as not to overwhelm area hospitals, while Guam's lieutenant governor thanks healthcare workers and educators for their sacrifices. Alfred Acenas from our EBC Hawaii-Pacific with more.
If this happens, healthcare leaders warn choices will have to be made. People will not receive the care they need, and some will die.
In preparation for this Labor Day weekend, state and territorial leaders in this part of the world take this opportunity to send some strong warnings as COVID-19 cases continue to surge.
As we approach the long Labor Day holiday weekend, please keep this in mind. The state of Hawaii is struggling with an unprecedented and disastrous surge in COVID-19 cases. Our hospital system is being pushed to the limit. As you well know, we need our hospitals to care for the sick and injured, whether it's COVID, cancer, heart attack, stroke, or trauma. Because of COVID, our hospital system across the state is in danger of moving toward a worst-case scenario, where there will not be sufficient health care for everyone who needs it, when they need it. Your choices can help our community prevent the worst-case scenario in our hospital system. Please act responsibly this holiday weekend and moving forward as we battle this highly transmissible and deadly virus.
Meanwhile, Guam's leadership has been acknowledging the recent sacrifices made by the healthcare workers and even the education community.
Over the past several days, we have seen large numbers of new cases. Our clinics are strained, our hospitals are at capacity, and our ICU beds are nearing capacity. You have heard our governor and our medical professionals say over and over again that our healthcare system is fragile and that we must do everything we can to protect it so that when our people get sick, they can be cared for. After just a few short weeks of being back to school, we had to make the hard choice to suspend face-to-face learning from our students. This was a decision that no one wanted, but it was necessary to keep our kids safe, especially those who cannot be vaccinated. It was clear that with the spread in the community moving at such a rapid pace, the spread in schools would likewise increase, and we needed to prevent that. Our children have been asked to endure so much over the last 18 months, and I'm asking all of you to help stop the spread of the virus in whatever you can so that they can go back to school as safely and as soon as possible.
Reporting from Honolulu, Hawaii, I'm Alfred Acenas. Eagle News will live in interesting times.